Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia. So this video is going to be a little bit different from my usual videos. So this is my phone. It's all cracked up. I've had this phone for a minute, and what upsets me was that I had a tempered glass on here, the little thin things you can get what it seems like anywhere. I got it from T-Mobile. They put it on here when I got my phone, and it did just fine until I dropped it on concrete and it was no match for it. So it broke, and I just did not feel like getting it fixed because it's old. I mean, I've had it for at least 3 years. So then I just went and got another iPhone, because I mean, if you're not iPhone, what are you? But I want something different besides your standard tempered glass protector that you could get anywhere to protect my screen, because that's like my life. So I had this company, CellHelmet, reach out to me. If you're not familiar with CellHelmet, they do things on their YouTube like this. And they also do videos and all the kind of stuff like this. So I'm like, okay, well, I mean, you guys seem to know what you're doing. And so they sent me, when they sent it to me, I'm just like, ooh. It's basically a liquid glass screen protection. So it's not your standard screen protector. It comes into this, it comes like this. I'll show you guys. See that? So this is the vial that I'm gonna be putting on my screen. And yeah, you read that correctly, $300 guarantee. Basically what that means is that if you put this on your phone and your phone falls and it breaks for any reason, you go and you get your phone fixed. You then submit that receipt to them, and they'll send you a check for however much you paid to get your phone fixed, up to $300. I'm like, well, that's probably the only guarantee that I've ever seen a company do before, because the tempered glass that I bought off T-Mobile, they weren't protecting and they weren't guaranteeing nothing. That's the reason why it's still not fixed. So let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up. So this was the clean one, so I just took that off, and this is like an alcohol wipe, so I'm just going to wipe down my phone. Alright, so it says open vial by pulling on the cap, so I've opened it. Okay. And then it says turn vial upside down and drip contents onto the center of the device. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm just going to drip it on the center of the device. So this is the apply. So I'm gonna take this, and it says make full strokes from top to bottom. So I'm just gonna hold it on the side, and I'm just gonna make long strokes from top to bottom, covering each part of the glass. And it just says allow the device to sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to dry or buff that off with, last but not least, the buff cloth. And that is about it. All right, so it's been a little over 10 minutes, so I'm just going to take the buff, take that out, and then it just simply says that in a circular motion, use a buff residue to remove residue from the screen. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's slowly going from the hazy to an actual clear screen. So yep, that is it. It's actually, I can go ahead and use this as normal. It will fully cure after 24 hours. So I am excited that I actually have something that's actually going to protect my screen. And then if it doesn't, by some chance, I am fully covered. I am fully guaranteed, just as long as I register my little device. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe it. There will be more to come. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to check out my other videos, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.